Hi guys, this is Ross and Rudy, and today we're down in the beautiful Falmouth, and beside us here is the Motoryacht Slipstream, which has just come out of Pendennis with a brand new paint job, as you can see. Now today we are down here delivering a brand new 7.2 metre tender. This is Ribeye Follow the Build. Let's see how the handover goes and let's see how the tender fits. Okay, so we are launching the tender. Here we go. Slipstream in the background. Looking good. What do you think, guys, so far? Yeah. There we go, tender Slipstream launched.
Yes, it's in, Rob.
Okay guys, so we've just done the fitment and we've said our goodbyes to Motoryacht Slipstream. So I'm going to hand you over to Rudy. And Rudy, can you just summarise how that went?
Absolutely amazing. It's been a pleasure to work with this boat from the start to finish, and amazing to see our tender nicely stowed in the aftermarket. All the thanks to the guys back at Ribeye for producing such an amazing boat, and obviously the guys on the Slipstream.
Brilliant. Cheers Rudy and cheers Slipstream.